Well, welcome to the channel. We're back. Today doing a tour review of something. I went to this school on a field trip, and I got some prizes. So I'm gonna show you what I got at this school for a field trip. Let's see what toys. Right, so this is all the stuff. You see back there, I got a hat, a toy, and popcorn, a mask. Well, first I'm gonna move all this up and show one thing at a time, and then we'll talk about it and what it is. Then we'll say goodbye and all that. So let's get started with the first thing I'm gonna show you. You can see there's a paper come out of it, like that. There's a boy with it, and there's like pictures, and it's from that Koi company. It's from KU. It's a KU football toy. So I'm gonna get him out. Now he's just a figure. He doesn't really do nothing, but just for decorations. I don't know who he is, but just a cartoon character, I guess. I don't know who he is, but cool. KU action figure. Huh? Yeah. Well, pretty cool. He doesn't really move around. He can talk like he would talk like this. Hey, I don't like football anymore. I hate this. I hate my job. You know what I mean? Yeah. So cool toy and all that. So let's get on with hat. All right. So here's the hat. It's a cool hat. Nothing much. You like wear it and wear it, and there's a sticker right there. You can see that, and the tag on the back. It's a cool hat. So I'm gonna show you the mask. Alright, so this mask is supposed to be for the Lone Ranger. Like from the old shows. Back in the 80s or something. And there it is, and I have the star for the sheriff. The last scene, we got the popcorn. So, right back, and we're going to do something different. So, we got the popcorn right here. So, what we're going to do is open it. I'm going to try it out. See if it's good. Good. Good popcorn. Here. Have some camera. I'm just kidding. You can't have one. Because you're not human. Okay. Well, that's okay. See you guys next time. Subscribe my videos, like my videos. The next time, go popcorn!